R32 refrigerant General Usage and Handling Instruction. R32 refrigerant cannot be used as a drop-in replacement for R410 in the existing system. The meaning that you cannot use a R32 refrigerant directly to replace R22 or R410 in existing system. R32 refrigerant only can apply to the R32 products. The R32 refrigerant charging can be done in either liquid or vapor phase because this refrigerant is a single component refrigerant. When compared with R410, the R410 is a mixture of two gases, 50% of R32 and 50% of R125. That's why the R410 charging can be done in only liquid phase. But this R32 is a single component. You can charge either liquid or vapor phase. The gas cylinder always should be destined at all times, meaning that during usage the cylinders are within your control. The space of the refrigerant handling must be in low temperature and no sparks and flame free. Do not bring any naked flame near to this because this refrigerant already classified as a mildly flammable refrigerant. So you should take care, don't bring any naked flame near to this refrigerant. Workers must be equipped with appropriate protective equipment to avoid contact with eyes or skin or injury. R32 refrigerant storage and handling instruction. The cylinder walls must be closed tightly. The cylinder must be stored in a cool place, meaning less than 40 degrees Celsius, and in a dry space to prevent corrosion and in a well ventilated space. Measures must be taken to protect the wall against the external impacts or damages. The storage area should have an appropriate signage. All cylinders should be kept away from direct sunlight, fire and all heat sources and free from sources of ignition, which is power points, lights and switches or cigarette lighter and etc. All storage should be protected from unauthorized access. That means the storage area should be locked. All the storage should have natural ventilation or calculate the exposure level for any gases if stored internally. The cylinder must be handled with care, avoiding any external impacts. When attaching or detaching the cylinder to or from the equipment, sufficient care must be taken to avoid the leakage. These are all the important points when handling the R32 refrigerant and store the refrigerant. Another important point is tools required for R32. The manifold gauges can be shared between R32 and R410 because the operating pressure almost similar between the two refrigerants, so that the manifold gauge can be shared between both R32 and R410. The vacuum pump also can be shared, but the vacuum pump should come with backflow prevention valve. Only the different thing is the refrigerant recovery machine cannot be shared. Only dedicated refrigerant recovery machine should be used for R32. And all other installation tools can be shared between R32, R410 and R22 because this installation tool all almost similar. There is no changes. These are the important points should take note during installation or during service or during troubleshooting. The below are the important and good installation practice. Not only for R32 products, is applicable for all the refrigerant products, either is a refrigeration or either is air conditioning product. During installation, we should take care of these three important points. The pipe should be clean without contamination. The pipe should dry, there is no moisture inside the pipe. Number 3, the pipe should tight, there is no leakage. If the 3 is you take care during installation, the lifespan of the equipment will increase and the performance of the system also increase. So these are the importance, take note, during installation for all the products, either aircon or refrigeration. Yeah, the next important point is charging and recovery. As I mentioned earlier, the charging can be done either liquid or gas phase because of the single component refrigerant. The recovery can be done only for dedicated recovery machine. These are the important. The standing pressure and operating pressure are important. The standing pressure is 240 to 260 psi. Also it called ideal pressure. The suction pressure of the unit is 115 psi to 140 psi. The discharge pressure is 450 to 550 psi. This slightly different from almost similar with the R410, but slightly different. Only 5 to 10 psi is higher than R410. Please take note for the additional safety measures and additional safety precautions. We just go through some question and answers. How efficient is R32? R32 has similar working pressure to R410. However, R32 has a better capability to exchange the heat load than R410 and delivers high capacity than R410, making the system more efficient. How much R32 is used? R32 has a lower GWP, which is global warming potential, than R410 and uses 30% less refrigerant charge to produce on equal load capacity, meaning that the R32 charging is lesser than R410 when comparing. As a result, the total CO2 emission can be reduced around 77%. What are the risks with R32? Generally, the lower GWP, the higher the level of flammability. R32 is no different. R32 has been given the classification of A2L and is classified mildly flammable category A2. Accordingly, only experienced and properly instructed persons should handle the gases under pressure. Can I use flare connections indoor side for R32? Importantly, the refrigerant connection at the indoor unit better to have the braced connection or flareless connection method, and flare connections are allowed with should take on extra attention to check if any leakage or not before complete the installation process. Can I use the same installation equipment for R32? Yes, installers can continue to use many of the same installation tools as used for R410, including pipe benders, manifold gauges, charging hoses, etc. The important exception to this are reclaim unit and vacuum pump. Both of the items must be used brushless type and specially suitable for use with R32. Reclaim cylinders must be also classified for use with R32. Conclusion for R32 Part 2 video. R32 is a environment friendly, efficient, energy saving and economic refrigerant. Only important point is take note is please must be taken additional safety measures and safety precautions when handling the R32 refrigerant. Thank you very much.